if we walk in the direction of the sun, the shadow follows. Okay? The sun, the direction of the sun is the correct direction. The correct direction is excellence, hard work, smart work, honesty, integrity, respect for people, some of the core values, core beliefs, doing the right thing, having a passion for what you are doing, going in the right direction. Then what happens is that the shadow represents money, happiness, fame, fulfillment, satisfaction, all those things come. If the direction is right, this comes. What happens, unfortunately, is that most people run after these things. They run after the shadow, the direction is wrong, the sun is there, and they're never able to catch it. So sometimes it's a little bit of looking different in our ways of thinking that make a difference. That's one. The second thing is there were small pebbles. Second analogy, small pebbles on the beach, and many pebbles on the beach. Now the pebbles, just a story. The pebble is not able to move. So this happened in one organization, in one cultural setting where the market was down, economy was bad, the individual had no power. So you talk about empowerment, you talk about leadership, all these things are very nice to talk about, but reality we have to look at. So he says, listen, I am like that pebble on the beach. I can't even move. I am stuck with the same salary. I have no power to make decisions. I have no ability to make my voice heard. And I'm just stuck there. I feel like that pebble. So what do I do? So I shared with him the story about the pebbles. If this pebble moves wherever the pebble is, which means sometimes it's a question of patience, sometimes it's a question of time. It's a question of how do you feel. It's not how do you feel happy with a low salary. No, you cannot feel happy with a low salary. No, it is how do you feel happy while having the low salary and waiting for things to get better. It's about how to wait and what to do and what. See, nobody can be happy with a low salary. Nobody can be happy. There's a beautiful book, Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. The book is about survivors of a nuclear holocaust. And we talk about salary, come on, these guys were massacred by the Jews. The massacred Jews were massacred at that point of time, and they were in concentration camps. And a day they were happy was when they got a piece of bread. Forget about salary. That day was a happy day. The day when they got less beatings, that day was a happy day. And the idea was when they got that piece of bread, how did they share it with somebody else, even at that time? So the book is about man. Sorry, what did it say?
He can use a bomb here.
Yeah.
So everybody will be happy.
Next day will be, you will feel happier next day. You say no Bob today.
Yeah. See, we're just looking at ways to make ourselves feel a little better until things get better. And I'm sharing two ways. One is that if you keep working with excellence as a pebble there, then that pebble will start shining. See, what I'm doing in Albania, what I'm doing in other countries in Europe is, especially in the Balkan region, is life is difficult. It's not easy. But when it's difficult, the word crisis in Chinese is also the word for opportunity. So what can we do in that difficult time? We can't do anything. Fact is we cannot do anything. So let's do something. What do? Since we can't do anything, let's do something. Let's work on ourselves. The meeting of preparation and opportunity generates the offspring called luck. The meeting of preparation. So let us spend this time to sharpen the saw. Let us spend this time to develop ourselves. Because when things change, it's about managing the change, managing the stress at that point of time until things get better. So keeping the hope that things will get better, knowing that some things are in your control and some things are outside your control.